Himanta Biswa Sharma targets Gaurav Gogoi over wife's past. Allegations claim Elizabeth Colburn had ISI link connection. Congress call accusations a political simmer campaign. Sharma questions Colburn's decision to retain UK citizenship. Timing of controversy raises doubts about political motives. An escalating political battle in Assam between Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi is going on, with the CM launching a snatching attack on Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi. The controversy revolves around allegation against Gogoi's wife Elizabeth Colburn and her alleged ties to an organization linked to Pakistan's intelligence agency ISI. But the question is that if this is a genuine concern for national security or a politically motivated move ahead of the 2026 Assam Assembly elections. The political temperature in Assam has soared as Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has intensified his criticism of Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi while remaining silent about allegations on his own family. While Sharma has not directly named Gogoi, his allegations are clearly aimed at the deputy leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, as he did share Lok Sabha questions asked by Gaurav Gogoi.
মই যোৱা মোৰ যোৰহাট লোকসভা নিৰ্বাচনত মোৰ নিৰ্বাচনৰ প্ৰায় একমাহ আগত এইবোৰ সব কথা এনেধৰণৰ কথা এইবোৰ সব নহয় নতুন নতুন কথা লাগে তো নিৰ্বাচনত সেই সময়ত বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ কথাবোৰ ওলাইছে যে বিদেশৰ ছোৱালী কিয় বিয়া কৰিলে অসমৰ ছোৱালী নাপালে নেকি খুৰাৰ লগত কিবা ভাল আছে নে কিবা বেয়া আছে নে এনেকুৱা বহুত কথাখিনি সব অপপ্ৰচাৰ কিন্তু নিৰ্বাচনৰ সময়ত স্বাভাৱিক সেই নিৰ্বাচনৰ একমাহ আগতে প্ৰকাশ হ'ল আৰু তাৰ ফলটো যোৰহাটৰ ৰাইজে দিলে এইবাৰ দেখিছোঁ বিজেপি দলৰ ভিতৰত নতুন ভয় নিৰ্বাচন আহা বিধানসভা নিৰ্বাচন এক বছৰ পিছত আছে এতিয়াৰ পৰা অপপ্ৰচাৰ আৰম্ভ কৰিলে এবাৰ বেছি তেওঁলোকে শংকিত হৈছে নেকি কোনোবা দিনতো কোনোবা সুধিলে মই কৈছোঁ তেওঁ যদি ISI এজেণ্ট সলমান খানৰ চিনেমা এটা আছে টাইগাৰ জিন্দায়ে ময়ো মানে ৰ এজেণ্ট এতিয়া তো যদি তেওঁ আছে ময়ো ৰ এজেণ্ট এইবোৰ সব অপপ্ৰচাৰ মনোৰঞ্জন অসমৰ জনসাধাৰণ সব কথা ভালদৰে জানে আৰু অসমৰ জনসাধাৰণ আজি তেওঁৰ বিবেক শক্তিৰ ওপৰত মোৰ বিশ্বাস আছে তেওঁলোকৰ ওপৰত মই এৰি দিছোঁ
At the heart of the controversy is Gogoi's wife Elizabeth Colburn, a UK national who has retained her British citizenship for 12 years since marrying Gogoi in 2013. Sharma has raised questions about her tenure at the Climate Development and Knowledge Network, shortly CDKN, between 2011 and 2015, alleging links to Pakistan's ISI. In a series of posts on X, formerly Twitter, Sharma accused Colburn of working under Ali Taqdeer Sheikh, a former advisor to Pakistan's Planning Commission, and questioned why she had not opted for Indian citizenship. He pointed out rules for Indian Foreign Service officers who must ensure their foreign nation spouses acquire Indian citizenship within 6 months of marriage, and asked why lawmakers should not be held to the same standard. But the timing of this allegation seems to be quite unusual. The controversy comes amid the speculation that the Congress High Command is considering handing over the responsibility of managing the party's election affairs in Assam to Gaurav Gogoi, who is seen as a key strategy for the 2026 Assembly polls and also a Chief Minister candidate. Also, the controversies came in just as the imposition of the president's rule in the violence-hit Manipur. There are allegations that Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma may have attempted to divert the attention of the masses from the actual issues of the state and the country. While the topic of discussion was supposed to be Manipur and the situation there, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, who is the convener of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, NEDA, seems to be attempting to divert the attention from his alleged failure to control the situation of the border state. Sharma has also linked Colburn's former employer CDKN to funding from the Open Society Foundation, an initiative by American billionaire George Soros. The BJP has long accused Congress of having ties with Soros, alleging his involvement in efforts to destabilize the Indian government. Gaurav Gogoi, however, has dismissed the allegation as laughable, calling them a steamer campaign ahead of the 2026 elections. Political observers believe Sharma's aggression is not a coincidental, given Gogoi's stronghold in Upper Assam, particularly among the Ahom community, which plays a decisive role in several key constituencies. In the 2023 Lok Sabha elections, despite Sharma's all-out campaign in Jorhat, Gogoi emerged victorious, retaining the Congress stronghold previously repeated by his late father, former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi. As the political battle intensifies, all eyes are now on how this controversy will shape the narrative ahead of the 2026 Assam Assembly elections. News Desk report, My News Any.